In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix Monzo bank accounts not working. Let's dive in. First, ensure that you have the latest version of the Monzo app installed on your device. Open your App Store and search for Monzo. If an update is available, download and install it. Next, restart the app by completely closing it and then reopening it. This can help resolve any temporary glitches or errors. For Android users, clearing the app cache can sometimes address issues. Go to your device settings, navigate to the Apps or Applications section, find the Monzo app, and select Clear Cache to remove temporary data conflicts. If the issue persists, contact Monzo customer support for assistance. You can find their contact information on the Monzo website or within the app. Explain the problem you're facing and provide relevant details for expedited support. Additionally, make sure your device's operating system is up to date. If it's outdated, it may not be compatible with the latest version of the Monzo app. Check for any available updates and install them to ensure compatibility and resolve underlying issues. And there you have it. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix any issues with your Monzo bank account. Thanks for watching and peace out.